Achiel kachiel Tudruok mbui maga iyuda at Sharon Ong'aw. Koka mano machiegni nyinga Sharon Ong'aw. Kwa chako ni jatend piny Kenya William Ruto romo kod chancellor mano mar piny Jerman mong'ere kaka Olaf Scholz. Jotelo go twak e wi chenro mago mag bero tudruok kod ohala e kind pinjego. Gisano wadhi achiel kachiel mano nyaka kar jot mar jatend piny Kenya mano ma State House bura Nairobi mar mondo miwane kaka chenro makama dhi nyime.
For expanding renewable energies, offshore, onshore, wind energy, solar energy, and the expansion of our grid has been remarkable. And of course, we also support investment in technologies that use less fossil fuels. Mobility is also one of the sectors that are important, and heating as well. The federal government has started a bill, a law, and after a lot of discussions, many questions regarding this reform have been answered, and I think that we have been quite successful in answering the questions that were still open. The former Social Democratic leader said no bill that enters the Bundestag will exit the Bundestag unchanged. This is part of democratic processes with all legislation, but I think that the purpose of the law will not be called into question, and that is what I also hear from the three parties of my government. And I think that the diligent discussions in the Bundestag will lead to the fact that many questions will have been answered, and there might still be one or two small questions, but I think the big questions have been addressed. And part of this is the knowledge that those who moved to their homes before 2002 had not yet had to fulfill any requirements, and they do not have to change immediately their heating system. The same is true for many other exceptions we have made. So as far as we can see, many of the questions that are raised in the public space have been answered already, but of course Parliament can also still improve legislation. But this will not call into question the basic idea behind the legislative project. This is my opinion, and this is what I hear from the members of Parliament as well. So I'm very confident regarding this question. And there is also a substantial project of subsidies and support systems to make sure that everybody can make their own contribution to stop man-made climate change. Regarding the question you have also raised, whether the Minister of Economics has said anything